Welcome everyone, this is Zozo Stockwatch. Stop trading to recover? Stop trading? If you are a trader and you are losing money each day or each week or each month or by the year, you need to stop trading. If you can't stop trading, there is no helping you until you can make yourself stop trading. This is harder than you think for many. If you can stop, you can be helped. If not, you'll be doomed and fade away. Now that you have stopped, if you have, the next thing is to take everything you use off your charts. Have price action via candles and volume only. Why? Because what you're using was not working. Keep it simple. Look for support and resistance and start lining your charts. Draw the lines. Do this for 2 weeks or more. Look at charts. Line your charts. Line your charts. Watch the action. Watch the support and resistance. Slowly start to add back some moving averages and indicators, like one every few days. Watch it closely, test it, see if it is important to have on your chart. Start to paper trade again to build up confidence, but be honest as you can in your paper trading. When will you be able to trade again? When you can explain to others the reason you took the trade as if someone was watching you, and you can tell them clearly what you see to get you in this trade. When will you be able to trade? When you can see what your stop should be from looking at the price action and the support and resistance on the charts. This can take up to a month or more before you can get back to trading. You must look at many charts, train your eye and mind again. You have been injured. Recovery can be slow. You must start over again. You must take your time. Coming back, don't rush the comeback. You may never get another chance to trade monetarily or mentally. If you are serious about wanting to trade, you will stop trading. If you are serious about trading, you will take off from trading and study charts again for a while. It is about training your eye and mind again. Chart setup and recognition. Good luck. Don't be in a rush to come back. Take your time. The market will always be here. Now, this is not all the answers, but just some suggestions on some things you can do to get back on track. It is a process to recover, like physical therapy. And if you rush to get back, you'll just re-injure yourself and possibly end your career. Best to you, Zozo Stockwatch. When I say to remove all the things that are enticing you to trade, take away your scanners for a few weeks to a month. Trade Ideas is a great tool, but it can make you overtrade, especially if you're having a lot of losing trades. So if you are on the path of losing trades and in a slump, get rid of your Trade Ideas, shut it down for a little while, and then you can always bring it back up. But I would keep it off for about 2 weeks and just concentrate on charts. Okay, because Trade Ideas, like I said, it's a good tool, but you have all your scanners going, and it could cause you to overtrade, take some trades that you don't want to trade as you're trying to recover from your injuries and mental state as far as being a losing trader. Here I am showing you a chart of the SPY with a bunch of moving averages, and if you're a trader and you're having a hard time, start to get rid of some of this stuff. Okay, just click the X's and remove it all. Even VWAP, the 200 exponential, and finally the 13. And just look at price action. Now this is the SPY, and I'm just showing you this because this would give me the most action on a chart. But just line your charts, okay? See where there's support and resistance, all right? And you go through this each night or even during market, especially during market hours, and you watch the action. Now, not only on SPY, but other charts that you're trading, okay? And you start to see gather some information, all right? And when you do this, then mentally you'll start seeing the support and resistance on your own. And I'll just tighten up this chart. So you see we have resistance here on the SPY at 248. We came down to 245.75. Basically, we've been trading in a range. The SPY also has resistance at this 247.50 area, 247.60 area. So here's the resistance line there. This white line, you see it's a support line back here. Support can become resistance. You also see we had a gap up here, so it kind of fills the gap there. You see this white line, 246.75, support here. We came down, but we came back up through it. So, you know, these lines show significance, and you can see just by drawing the lines, you can see the action on the chart. Now, do you need all these lines? Some you can get rid of. This one doesn't look as important as this one does, right? Or sometimes you may need to put a double line just to make sure, you know, you're covering some of these other channels in here. So you see support here, and then we add support here. So this is what you need to do on all the charts that you look at. Some final words. If you're a losing trader and can't stop to regroup, rethink, refresh, don't worry, the market will force you to stop. It has no heart. Here's a tip for traders. Make a video library of your trades. You can go to Screencast-O-Matic, and I'll put that in the description link. You can go to Screencast-O-Matic, it's free, and I think you get up to 15 minutes of video for free. And what you can do is you can videotape your trades. And I think this is much better than just writing it down on a piece of paper. By video, you can see a chart, you see where your entry was, and you have a video library for your bad and good trades. So it would be a visual reinforcement for your trading. The last thing I'll leave you with is gambling traders always have to be in a trade. They need the action. They overtrade. They overdo it, even when the opportunities are not there. Traders' biggest problem, ego, averaging down on losing trades. Stop doing it. More on this in future videos.